Even after the renowned Dr. Jane Goodall's death, researchers are hoping to generate new findings from her archives. All 60-plus years of her chimpanzee research is now at Arizona State University's campus. The archive and database represent the longest-running wild chimpanzee study in the world and the only one of its kind. Now, to handle the sheer volume of her collections, experts are deploying AI to mine the data. They say there's so much left to learn from her notes.
Gombe Archive is so much more than just hundreds of thousands of sheets of paper. It's a living thing, and there are just still so many stories that are embedded in these filing cabinets that we're going to be spending still decades learning more about these chimps.
Dr. Goodall's work includes hundreds of thousands of rows of data, and a lot of them are handwritten physical notes. We are asking questions about Jane Goodall's legacy following her death last week. Dr. Jane Goodall's work is credited with changing the way that we understand our place in the Earth's ecosystem. A local professor with Wright State University got a chance to meet up with her and see her work up close. She joins us now live in studio, and Lauren is sitting down with her right now. Lauren?
Thanks, Jack. Yes, I'm joined by Dr. Yvonne Vadeboncoeur, a professor of biological sciences at Wright State University. And you actually met Jane Goodall. You said it was back in around 2011, you think?
I did.
Yes. Tell me about that interaction. What was it like?
Well, so I do research on food webs in Lake Tanganyika, and our research compound was right next to the Jane Goodall Institute. So we kind of saw the institute every day. And we were invited, our whole crew was invited to celebrate 60 years of research with her. And we spent the day talking to her and drinking scotch and going on. And the next day we went up to Gombe and hiked in the hills and observed the chimps and actually stayed overnight in the chimp-proof cabin where she had done her research.
What do you remember the most about her personally?
That she was just very focused on young people and the possibility of young people changing the world that we live in.
And I know she was very focused on research with chimpanzees. How did those discoveries really impact the field of primatology?
Well, I'm not a primatologist. However, her research is still the best known treatise, and basically she taught us all about chimpanzees. She went and lived with them, and she observed them and found out that they had really complex family interactions, that they did things like eat meat and use tools, and they actually even went to war. She kind of discovered they were a lot like us, but all of that was unknown before she went and stayed with them and watched them.
And then she also has quite a legacy when it comes to conservation as well. Tell us a little about that.
Research is still going on at Gombe, but most of her career she spent working towards conservation, because essentially where she worked in Gombe is a very, very small area that is forested, and then surrounding is land that people are using. And so chimps are endangered because of habitat destruction. So her primary interest is actually in conservation. And she has something called Roots and Shoots with the Jane Goodall Institute that encourages young people to work to change the world.
And I know there are still some science efforts that are continuing in her name today. Tell us a little bit about those.
I don't know a lot about those. As I said, they're still doing research, so they're still observing the chimpanzees at at Gombe National Park, and that's not my area of expertise. So it's not something, they're continuing her studies. As you just showed in the little clip before, her handwritten notes, she observed all these things, and what she did was super, super hard. Like, the amount of toughness that she required. I've hiked those hills. I've been struck by malaria. She had those same issues, except for she was all alone there. Wow. And it was just enormously physically hard and emotionally hard. She was very isolated. But she basically spent a lot of time simply observing the chimps, and it took her a long time before they trusted her.
All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us, Dr. Yvonne Vadeboncoeur, with the Wright State University Professor of Biological Sciences. We really appreciate hearing your stories.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.